Friends, welcome to my class. In my today's class, I'm going to discuss you the next chapter of your Vistas book, The Enemy. Okay, chapter's name, and this chapter is written by Pearl S. Buck. Okay, let's talk about the author. Pearl S. Buck was an American writer and novelist. She is also known by her Chinese name, Sing Zhanzu. In 1932, she won Pulitzer Prize for her novel The Good Earth. Okay, she was the first American woman to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1938 for her rich and truly epic description of peasants' life in China and for her biographical masterpieces. She was a prominent advocate of the rights of women and the minority group. So this is about the Pearl Asberg, who's the author of the chapter The Enemy. Okay. So let's talk about the chapter. Okay. Before starting the chapter, okay. It is the time of the World War. An American prisoner of war is washed ashore in a dying state and is found at the doorstep of a Japanese doctor. Should he save him as a doctor or hand him over to the army as a patriot? Okay, the story is set during the Second World War. A Japanese doctor finds an American prisoner of war at his doorstep. He is in dilemma that being a doctor, should he save the wounded man, or being a Japanese, should he hand over the enemy to the army? Okay, so the whole story revolves around that doctor, okay, and his wife, okay, and and his mental state. Okay, the story deals with the conflict between a man's duty toward the state and to his own conscience. In fact, the story raises question about ethics of a human being at the time of war. Okay, Dr. Sadao has been brought up in the traditional and patriotic environment. He dislikes the Americans, but at the same time, he is a doctor and cannot let the American prisoner of war bleed to death. Okay, so because of sympathy, he provided shelter to an American prisoner of war and cured him. Okay. The story condemns racial discrimination and hails the superiority of humanity above any other consideration. Okay, so this is how the story talks about the superiority of humanity above any other consideration, any other thing. Okay, humanity is much more important than everything. So let's talk about the summary. Okay. I prepared a short summary of this chapter. The story is set in the times of World War II, as I've already told you. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese doctor who is an expert surgeon and scientist. He finds an American prisoner of war at his threshold who is bleeding and on the verge of death. Okay, initially, Dr. Sadao and his wife Hana think of throwing the unconscious man back into the sea, but cannot do so. Okay, when they came to know that the injured man was an American, they thought to put the conscious man back into the sea, but they couldn't do so. Finally, they bring him home. Dr. Sadao operates upon him with the help of his wife Hana. They both have to face the protest of the servants as the servants refuse to clean the man and leave in protest. The man starts recovering slowly. Okay, the injured man starts recovering slowly. One day, Dr. Sadao has to go to see the general. Dr. Sadao, while treating the general, tells him about the American in his house. The general promised to send his personal assassins to quietly kill the American. Dr. Sadao does not let his wife about this plan and keeps on waiting for the assassins for 3 nights. Okay, but they do not turn up. Assassins do not turn up. By this time, the American has recovered completely. Now, Dr. Sadao decided to send him to an unguarded island in the sea. Okay, nearby the coast. He gives him a boat, a torch, lots of food and water, and a flashlight. He instructs him to stay on that island and wait for Korean boat. He also tells him to signal him 2 flashes if he runs out of food before he takes a boat. Okay, so this is how he helped. Dr. Sadao helped injured man, an American soldier, okay, American prisoner of war, because of humanity. Dr. Sadao is again called by general, and this time he has to be operated upon. Dr. Sadao tells the general that the American has escaped. The general keeps quiet about all this, okay, because general knows the importance of Dr. Sadao. Okay, finally, Dr. Sadao doesn't see any flash of light and realizes that the prisoner has escaped safely. Okay, so this is all about the story, a summary of the chapter, summary of the enemy. Okay, character sketch. Let's talk about the character sketch of Dr. Sadao, Hana, and General. Okay, these are the main character of the story. Dr. Sadao was a Japanese surgeon and scientist. He was brought up by his father, a staunch Japanese. Okay, father, a rigid Japanese. Okay, father of Dr. Sadao, devoted to his culture. Dr. Sadao became skillful doctor and scientist to fulfill his father's wishes. His father sent him to America to study medicine. He wanted him to study for the benefit of his country, for the benefit of Japan. Dr. Sadao didn't even marry Hana without his father's approval. He was so skilled that the general was totally dependent on him. The general had blind faith in him and as a skillful and expert surgeon. Okay, so that's why general helped Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao was a loving husband and a good father too. He consulted and respected his wife. He was worried about the future of his kids in case he was arrested. He was meticulous and finally found out a middle path. He felt happy to save the life of the American and to secure his and his family's future too. Okay, so this is all about Dr. Sadao. Next is character sketch of Hana. Hana is an ideal wife, mother, and a true Japanese. She is patriotic and humanitarian with a compassionate heart. Okay, she supports her husband in keeping with his decision, though she doesn't like the idea of saving the enemy, that is the American prisoner of war. She cannot neglect that before being an enemy, he is a human being first. Okay, she is a dignified lady who carries herself in a very controlled way without sacrificing her dignity when the servants refuse to continue their services and defy her orders. Okay, so this is how we can say that she is a dignified lady. Like any caring mother, she is worried about the future of her children in case Dr. Sadao is arrested for keeping the American in his house. Despite being worried, tensed, and scared, she never loses her cool. Okay, see, she is a very supportive wife. Character sketch of Tom. Tom, American prisoner of war. Okay, Tom was the American prisoner of war who was shot and had escaped. Dr. Sadao found him on the shore outside his house in a wretched condition. Okay, he had a deep wound and bled a lot. He might have done to face torture, pain, and suffering. Dr. Sadao saved his life by operating upon him and taking out the bullet. Tom displayed a fighting spirit which was evident from his speedy recovery. He was surprised and overwhelmed by the generosity of Dr. Sadao and Hana. Okay, he didn't want to leave their house as he felt secure there. Okay, he didn't want to leave the house of Dr. Sadao and Hana because he was feeling secure there. Finally, with the help of Dr. Sadao, he was able to escape. Okay, so these are the characters of the enemy. Okay, next is General. General is also a main character of the story. The general is the Japan's army general. He is Dr. Sadao's patient. He is old, ailing, and has faith only in Dr. Sadao for treatment. That is one of the reasons that Dr. Sadao is not sent abroad with Japanese army. Okay, the general himself has been at Princeton and has more faith in doctor trained in America than in Germany. As according to him, American had sentiments but Germans were cruel. He assures Dr. Sadao to help in getting rid of the American soldier, but due to his self absorption in his ailment, he forgets. When Dr. Sadao tells when Dr. Sadao tells him about the escape of the white man, he takes the blame on himself and saves Dr. Sadao. The general knows the worth of Dr. Sadao as a surgeon and as a scientist, doesn't want to lose him, so he protects him. Okay, so this is this character sketch of the general. Okay, main character, one of the main character of the stories. This is all about the This is all about the enemy. Okay, written by Pearl S. Buck. Thank you and have a nice day, students.